Welcome to my channel. We will be programming to new keys as all keys are lost. Start by switching ignition on with new key. Make sure Bluetooth is off and tap on IMO and accept. Choose Forward. Choose Automatic Selection. Tap on Read. Tap OK. Tap OK. Tap Manual Selection. Tap Forward. Tap Europe. Choose Ranger. Choose 2016 to 2019. Blade key. Tap Yes. Choose Control Unit. Immobilizer can. Immobilizer Remote Control Learning. All keys lost. Make sure key is in ignition and turned on. Tap OK. Tap No. Tap OK. Choose Erase key. Tap OK then Yes. Tap OK. Tap Yes. Security access is now in progress. The screen may flicker during this process. This is normal. It normally takes about 3 minutes for the security access. Please wait patiently. Tap OK. Tap OK. Tap OK. Tap OK. Turn ignition off and tap OK. Turn ignition on for 3 seconds with first key, then remove. Doors will lock unlock. Turn on with second key. Doors will lock unlock. Tap OK. Tap OK. Learning is now complete. Test keys.